Camp out in your room with Campfire Kids indoor camping gear. The Campfire Kids Roasting Stick set brings the great outdoors indoors. No camping experience would be complete without the traditional hot dog and marshmallow roast. This sizzlin set equips junior campers with 2 sticks for roasting 2 plump hot dogs or toasting 2 marshmallows. Use them with or without the campfire, sold separately. Now, let's get cookin' for ages 3 and up. Prepare yourself for every adventure with Campfire Kids indoor camping gear.